What is Macronomics? Macronomics is a tool to find the highest probability setups based on data. In this video, I'm going to explain how Macronomics works and how you can take advantage of it. Please note that Macronomics does not provide signals. Macronomics only shows you the direction in which you will have a higher probability outcome in the trade. It is up to you to apply risk management and technical patterns in order to enter your position. With that said, let's dive into the Macronomics dashboard. The first thing you see after you enter the dashboard is the relative value table. All this table does is it compares the weakest and the strongest currency, and with that, finding the best relative value pair to trade. The dollar at the moment of recording is sitting as the strongest currency, and what we want to do is to pair it with the weakest ones to find the path of least resistance. Once you have the direction, applying technical analysis becomes much more easier. The data section is the engine of Macronomics, and here you can find all data used in Macronomics, which is data that central banks depend on. Also, you can find the tonality part, which plays a huge role in which direction one currency will trade. If you understand fundamentals, you have the option to set it for yourself. And for those who don't know anything about tonality, we have our suggestions, which are updated when central banks change their policy. Next, we have the risk on risk off module, which is essential to determine where risk is trading today and finding good intraday opportunities. If you don't know what risk on risk off means, leave it as mixed and go out into the Understand Macronomics section where you can learn about risk on risk off and everything about fundamentals. You can find tutorials about how Macronomics works. On the right side, we have a watch list with over 20 pairs, starting from the majors, to cat crosses, to yen pairs, to kiwi. We cover pretty much everything. If the watch list tells you that you have a sell signal on euro dollar, you're going on the charts and you're applying your own risk management and you're applying your own technical patterns into that direction. If the watch list tells you a buy signal is in order for that respective pair, you're going on the charts and you're looking for buy opportunities in that direction. If, however, the signal is neutral, you want to stay away from that pair because the currencies in that pair are with the same strength and we don't know in which direction it will break out. We also have the upcoming releases and the latest comments. Here you can find the latest comment in the financial world and the events that are happening today or tomorrow, which are important for currencies. The ultimate goal for Macronomics is for you to trade in line with sentiment, meaning you can find the direction in which way a pair is going to trade for the next week, for the next month. You can trade in line with sentiment only if you understand fundamentals and why currencies move. And what we did with Macronomics is we took all the important data for central banks and we simplified everything and built our tool based on that data. As the Fed says, we are data dependent, and so is Macronomics. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you inside Macronomics.